Hello all! Welcome to our channel, Adbutaha Foodies, quick and healthy recipe for weight loss. Today we have prepared healthy nutritious peanut salad for fat cutter. Peanuts are good source of antioxidants, vitamins and healthy fats. Peanuts contains fatty acids, omega-3s, and best thing is they help in balancing hormones and improves good cholesterol. To make this peanut salad, I'm using roasted peanuts, 1 onion, chopping really fine for better taste, 1 chopped tomato, mint leaves, 1 finely chopped green chili, coriander, a ½ cup roasted peanuts. Add a ½ tsp salt. Add 1 tsp olive oil. Add 1 tsp lemon juice. You can add black pepper too. Mix the ingredients well. Now my super healthy peanut salad is ready. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like and share for more videos.